everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving out free orbs. It's not technical at all. I will explain all about it. But before that, only 4.2% of you have subscribed to my channel, even though you know that my channel is the only one that gives you safest and easiest way to get free Nitro. Make sure to subscribe now since we need to reach 12,700 subscribers soon. There's a new quest. You'll find it after scrolling down. Now, this quest does not require VPN. It will show in available quest section. I suppose it might also be available in the phone. If you can't find it somehow, maybe Discord didn't give you that quest. So open this Scarlet quest. It's probably an animated movie from Sony Pictures Classics. There we have it. In total, we have 45,700 orbs. Make sure to do this quest before February 20th. With that, you can get free Discord Nitro. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.